welcome back to my channel. So today is International Women's Day, so I decided to do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but hey, come with me. Alright, first I'm going to take my primer, and this is Palandio Foundation Primer, and this is new. I don't know if anyone knows about this primer before, so this is what I'm going to use. It's new. I'm just opening it for the first time, and hopefully this is what I So next I'm going to take my Sasha Buttercup, and I'm going to like powder my face before my foundation. So what I'm doing is I'm placing it on the places that I sweat most. So this is going to give like a full coverage. Normally myself, I don't like to use too much product, so with this method that I'm doing, it's going to give me that full coverage with a little foundation that I'm going to use. Alright, so next I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Polish, and this is the 356 One Coconut. So taking my foundation brush, I'm going to use that to apply it. So women, you're strong, you're beautiful, you can do all. Just know that God created you for a reason, for a purpose. You're blessed. Alright guys, so next I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is a phone. So you already know the drill. I'm going to apply all that on my forehead, the under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow, and my chin. Alright, so next I'm taking my Sasha Buttercup, and I'm going to highlight the places that are already highlighted, and you already know the drill. So I'm going to set the concealer so that it will not move. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've already done my my brows, and so going into the eye, I'm going to prime my eye. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fun. Okay, why is this thing bringing up water? So I'm going to prime my eye, and I will set it with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. So I'm going into this Juvia's Place, the Zulu by Juvia's, and I'm going to be taking the orange color in the Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use that on my crease section. Okay, so I'm going back into the same palette, and I'm taking this purple color right here, and I'm going to use that also on my crease section. Back into the first brush that I use, and I'm going to use it to blend out any harsh line. Oh, I have another Juvia's Place palette, and this is the Nubian 2 by Juvia's, and I'm going to take this color right here. This is Layla, and using a flat brush, and I'm going to apply that on my lid section. Alright guys, so what I do, I go back to the second brush that I used to apply the purple color, and I use that to, without any product added to it, and I use that to blend out any harsh line. Alright, so next I'm going to apply my eyeliner. Alright, next I'm using my mascara. And this is the Max, what is it? Wet and Wild. This is from Wet and Wild Max Fanatic. Okay, so the lashes that I'm going to use is from Iconic Collection, and this is I don't know. Yep, so that's what I'm going to use. Alright, so while I let the lashes sit, I'm going to take out the essence setting powder because we don't need it anymore. So I'm using my LA Girl Pro Face HD high definition matte press powder, and this is in warm caramel. I'm using my blending brush, my foundation brush. I think I like to use my foundation brush to apply my powder. Everybody have their own preference, so I like to use that for myself. Alright, so next I'm going to line my eye. I'm using this pencil. Ooh, the name not there anymore. I don't know what the name is anymore. So I'm going to line my eye. Alright, so going back to my Nubia 2 from Juvia's, I'm taking the light again. I'm going to use it to smoke out my under eye. Alright, so going back to the Zulu by Juvia's, I'm taking this purple color that I used earlier on the top of my eyes, and I'm going to use that underneath this color right here. Okay, so I'm going to take my bronzer, and this is from CoverGirl Queen Collection in Ebony Bronze, and I'm going to use that to bronze my cheek. So going back into the Zahara Blush Volume 2, I'm going to take B. B is this color right there, and I'm going to use that as my blush. Okay, so next I'm going back into the Shahara Blush Volume 1. This is the Shahara Blush Volume 1, and I'm going to take Zara and Lila. I'm going to mix both together, and I'm going to both Yara and Zara, and I'm going to apply that out at the inner tail dot of my eye. So this is another Juvia's Place blush palette that I'm going to be using, and this is the Dose by Juvia's, and I'm going to take, what is this? Tats is this color, the first middle color, and I'm going to use that to bronze my cheek. Alright guys, so next I'm going to take my NYX, and this is in the dewy finish long lasting setting spray, and I'm going to set my face. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using my lip pencil. This is by Davis Cosmetics lip liner, and I'm going to line my lip. Sorry guys, I thought I was recording while I mentioned the name of the lipstick. And this is by Ruby Kisses Forever Matte, and this is in Honey Bunny. It's a matte lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. As you can see, we made something happen, and this is for you all women. Since today is the International Women's Day, so I decided to do this together with you ladies, you know, to all my beautiful ladies out there, to all the strong ladies out there. This is for you. You're beautiful, you're strong, you are intelligent, you're smart, you are fierce, you are God's own made image. Okay, you're beautiful. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise. You are beautiful. All right, what do you think of my new look? The wig, the jewelry. I got this for my birthday the other time, and I didn't get to wear it, and I decided to put it on today. And yeah, so this is the finished look, and I want to take this opportunity to say Happy International Women's Day. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy this look as much as I do enjoy creating it for you guys. And if by any chance you recreate this look, tag me. My Instagram ID is Ifeokanmi Makeover. Ifeokanmi, Ifeokanmi Makeover. And my Facebook is Makeup by Wumi. And if you're watching my video, come with me here. Look me into, you can see me, I'm looking at you. If you're watching this video and you're here to subscribe, come on, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that red button, the subscribe button, okay? And also don't forget to hit the bell button beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to get a notification of it. And yes, until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Ciao. I love you.